This morning I'm going to put together these soccer goals that my kids got for their birthdays. It's pretty simple to put together, but just in case you're instructionally challenged, here's how it works. Alright, let's see what's in this box. We got a bunch of poles and a net. Nothing to it. So the poles have numbers on them. We've got 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 3s, and 2 4s. We've also got these stakes to secure it to the ground if you'd like to do that. And the net. The plastic and the caps on these are not actually needed for anything, so I'm going to remove all that now. The diagram is pretty simple here. Basically just connect each of these numbered pieces together. I have you starting at the bottom here. Build the bottom support. What I did next was I put the 2 4s in to go upright, and then the 1 and the 2 on the top. Very simple assembly. And there it is. The net is going to be a little bit more complicated. If we look at the instructions here, it's saying, so first we're going to put the red tabs on the top, the blue tabs on the bottom. So red tabs up here, blue tabs down here. And we'll put 2 ties at each of the points it labels except at number 7 and 10, where it's showing 4 even though there are only 2 arrows. The net will be attached with these Velcro strips. This feels like the cheapest component and the part that I'm worried about deteriorating the quickest. Alright, we're done. Now we can play some soccer. Due to how long it took to put that net on, this probably isn't the most suitable net for traveling with, but it should be good for use in the backyard. Wait a minute, what about the stakes? I'm not actually going to use these because, let's be honest, I don't want to have to move these every time I mow the lawn and have to remove the stakes, reinstall the stakes. So these are just going to sit in storage somewhere and rot. Well, that's all for today. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe.